said it's okay, just as we are. No need to change, we've come so far. That promise we made on the hill so green, in that park where everything felt serene. Pushing ourselves day after day. In the hustle, we lost our way. But those moments on the hill, we remember. In that park, our spirits felt tender. It's fine as it is, just you and me. That vow we made under the tree. In the park on the hill, our dreams took flight. Through the days we strained, we held on tight. Remember the times when we pushed too hard. In the rush of life, we bore our scars. But in that quiet park, on that gentle slope, we found our peace and a renewed hope. Maybe it's the strength we share. Every promise shows we care. Together we'll face what lies ahead. With love and faith, our path will tread. Through the stress and strain, we find our way. In your arms, I wanna stay. In the park on the hill, where our love was born. We'll keep moving forward through every storm. It's fine as it is, just you and me. That vow we made under the tree. In the park on the hill, our dreams took flight. Through the days we strained, we held on tight. Every tear we leave behind. In your love, my peace I find. With every step, our journey starts. Together we'll build our future hearts. It's fine as it is, just you and me. That vow we made under the tree. In the park on the hill, our dreams took flight. Through the days we strained, we held on tight. We said it's okay, just as we are.